Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We just went to Tractor Supply, me and Levi. We got some dog food. You see it in the back. I got him a bone. All right, Levi, look at this. This is all for you. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on. This is you, baby. Yeah, look at him go. What do you think, buddy? You love it? Attaboy, good boy. Good boy, Levi. Yeah. There's a bony for you. Up, there he goes. He's going in the back. There he is. Sucking on his bone in the back. Alright. This is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Smash that like button and get involved. Buy a puppy.